guys, welcome back to another chop video, and this week I'll be showing you guys how to make coleslaw. Alright, so for the video today we're gonna use a quarter of a medium sized cabbage. So we're just gonna cut this. This was already used already, so we're just gonna cut this in a quarter. Alright, so we're just gonna use this, and then we're gonna get rid of the old leaves, or the bad leaves. Like that. Then we're just gonna rinse off the cabbage. If it's your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so after washing the cabbage, we're just gonna cut out the core of the cabbage right here. So we're just gonna cut it, just get rid of it. Alright, and for the cabbage you can just break it apart. And then we're gonna cut it up. So when you're cutting the cabbage, just cut it as fine as possible, or as small as possible. So what we're gonna do is just gonna do some additional cuts of the cabbage to ensure that there's no long pieces in there. Just gonna cut the remainder of the cabbage. Alright, so we're gonna get a carrot. So we're just gonna need a piece. So just estimate about this size for the amount of cabbage. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna peel the carrot. Alright, we're gonna get a grater, and then on the smaller shreds, we're gonna use that side for the carrots. Alright, so we're just gonna get the carrot and then start. Alright, so we're just gonna add the carrots to the cabbage. And then we're just gonna give it a quick mix. Alright, there you have it. Okay, so we're gonna make dressing now. We're gonna get some mayo. Alright, so we're gonna add the mayo to a bowl. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. And then a little black pepper. Alright, so we're just gonna mix these together. you just need to mix it for about a minute and a half, then it should be good. Alright, so we're gonna add the coleslaw dressing to the cabbage and carrots. Just gonna add it a little at a time, then mix it, then add the rest after. So you can use your hands, or if you want to use a spoon, and just mix them together. So we're gonna add the remainder of the dressing. Just continue mixing it. There it is. There you have it, guys. Some nice coleslaw. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, send it to a friend, let them subscribe too. Thanks for watching. I'm out.